Did you know that your body has a self-destruct button hidden inside your nose, and you press it every time you hold in a sneeze? When you block a sneeze, you're trapping a shockwave moving at 100 miles per hour. With no exit, that force is redirected into your skull, slamming into your brain's delicate architecture. This back pressure can rip a hole in your trachea or even force air into the space between your lungs, making it impossible to breathe. You aren't being polite. You're playing Russian roulette with your own blood vessels. One quiet sneeze could be the last thing your brain ever processes. Stop sabotaging the pilot. Let the pressure out and keep your system online. Stop being a passenger in your own body. Hit subscribe to reclaim the pilot seat, and I'll see you in the next one.